Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee na taliba Maitai bu Scheduled Tribe ta chalalu hai badabe adu World Maitai Convention na saugat lehari. Convention na press ta tharakpa warol amada missing da yengbada Maitai singna awang nongpok ta naga amadi kuki chin kanglup tege masing hena yamde. Aikhoina India da punba matamda aikhoi si Yelhomi tribal kangbura na tabra haina hangba matamda Maitai luchingba singna lan na Maitai singasi Arya singdagi haurakpani haina masak take. Masana Yelhomi Maitai singi masagi leijaba hak sing mangankre. Masina maram moiduna state asigi chada tara khaktamak pak chawba tampaki lamda ikhoina leire haujikti maitai singasi masagi hak leiba manipur gi citizen ama oidre hainasu cherola sinema kha tarakle cherola sina hai india ge miyoi billion ama dasmik ahum asigi marakta yelhomi maitai singna soidangam dana hingjana ba constitution gi ngak law leitabana hena khudong thiningai oire oirakliba fibam kaya asigi yanglaga scheduled tribe demand committee na maitai singbo scheduled tribe list yalhon ba recommendation pbu haibasida World Maitai Convention na sagat na buwarik laure. Hariba chap manaba dabi asi fangna ba haukiba lisingani taradagi. Taliba Assam ki Maitai Kanglupsu Convention na sagat lay. Maramaduna Manipur amasung Assam laingak na hek yariba makai. Tuna India laingak ta recommendation thabiduna achumba fangan biyo. Dabi asi awang nong pokta lairiba political party singilu chingwa singamade Kanglup khudingmak na sagat piyo haina so apil taruk lay.
WMC is also supporting the Maitai community in Assam who has been demanding the same since 2010. Therefore, WMC earnestly appealed to the governments of Manipur and Assam to do justice by sending recommendation to the government of India as soon as possible. Last but not the least, WMC requests all the leaders of political parties and all community leaders of the Northeast to help and support the Maitai people in their attempt to include them in the list of scheduled tribes because they are indigenous people like any other indigenous people in the Northeast who are already in the ST list in the interest of all the indigenous communities of the region.
Paugi martana atem break amatang long minase.